Golden oil to remove wrinkles in just 10 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wellbeing Wisdom. Today, I'm going to share with you a natural solution to remove wrinkles in just 10 minutes. As we age, our skin loses collagen, which leads to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. But don't worry, I've got you covered. If you've ever dreamt of turning back the clock and saying goodbye to those pesky wrinkles, you're in for a treat. I'm going to show you how to make a golden oil using some amazing ingredients like rosehip oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, olive oil, and lemon. These ingredients are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that help to regenerate skin cells, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and leave your skin looking radiant and youthful. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our beauty tips and secrets. Thank you for your support. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the benefits of each ingredient. Rosehip oil is extracted from the seeds of the wild rose bush and is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids that help to regenerate skin cells and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's also high in vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin and even out skin tone. Argan oil is derived from the kernels of the argan tree and is also rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which help to hydrate and nourish the skin. It's also high in fatty acids, which help to reduce inflammation and improve skin elasticity. Vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It's also a natural preservative, which helps to extend the shelf life of the golden oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamins A and E, which help to moisturize and protect the skin. It's also high in oleic acid, which helps to penetrate the skin and deliver nutrients deep into the skin's layers. Finally, lemon is a natural astringent that helps to tighten and brighten the skin. It's also high in vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen production and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To make the golden oil, you'll need 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and juice of half a lemon. Mix all the ingredients together in a small bowl. The golden oil should have a light, citrusy scent and a smooth, silky texture. Apply the mixture to your face and neck and massage gently for 10 minutes. Use circular motions to help the oil penetrate deep into the skin's layers. Be gentle around the eye area, as the skin is delicate and prone to wrinkles. The massage will help to improve blood circulation, which will bring oxygen and nutrients to the skin's surface, leaving it looking radiant and youthful. After 10 minutes, rinse off the golden oil with warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. You'll notice that your skin feels soft, smooth, and hydrated. The golden oil is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, as it's made with natural ingredients that are gentle and non-irritating. If you have dry skin, you can use the golden oil as a moisturizer. Apply a small amount to your face and neck after cleansing, and massage gently until it's fully absorbed. The oil will help to hydrate and nourish your skin, leaving it looking soft, supple, and glowing. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you can still use the golden oil. The oil is non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores or cause breakouts. In fact, the oil can help to regulate sebum production and reduce inflammation, which can help to prevent acne and breakouts. And there you have it, a natural solution to remove wrinkles in just 10 minutes. This golden oil is packed with amazing ingredients that will help to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. It's easy to make, affordable, and effective. So, give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. As with any skincare regimen, it's essential to do a patch test and consult with a dermatologist if you have sensitive skin or allergies. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and natural beauty secrets. Thanks for watching.